Mercedes CLE range is positioned as a versatile model, serving as replacements for both the C-Class and E-Class Coupes, along with their convertible variants set to debut later. The CLE presents an attractive alternative to rivals like the Audi A5 or BMW 4 Series, combining style with a mature design aesthetic, foregoing excessive add-ons. Mercedes expects the typical CLE owner to be between 40 and 45 years old. While the initial models embrace subtlety, it's anticipated that an AMG version will cater to those seeking a more spirited driving experience. Interestingly, the CLE marks a significant shift for Mercedes, as it's one of the last entirely internal combustion engine-powered cars from the automaker. All UK-bound CLE versions are equipped with mild hybrid systems, offering added torque through a 48V electrical system. The UK market will see options like a 2.0-liter turbodiesel, 220D, a 2.0-liter turbo petrol, 304-matic, and a 3.0-liter straight-six petrol, 454-matic. The car is designed from the ground up with conventional propulsion in mind, as there are no plans for a fully electric CLE. Despite its weight, 1,855 kilograms, the CLE 304-matic provides a fluid and dynamic driving experience, offering a balance of power and torque that makes it feel quicker than its specs suggest.